So day number 5 of the Mall family road trip, and I'm standing here at the shore of Jenny Lake here at Grand Teton National Park in Wyoming. It's pretty beautiful here, but it's got me thinking about filtration on swimming pools. So today we're going to give a brief overview. Now, I do have a video that I've filmed. I've got all the footage for it. I just need to edit and post, and that's going to go up with more in-depth stuff about filters. But today we'll just give a good overview on why filtration is important and why it's important to maintain your filter. So while we want to take into consideration what type of filter you put on your pool, or maybe you switch to from whatever you have now, more importantly, we need to make sure it's sized correctly. Too small a filter creates a choke point in the plumbing system, which can mean when the pool is under stress or really trying to work hard to maintain itself, that filter is going to stand in the way of that being a reality or a possibility. That filter gets clogged up quickly, and then pretty soon you lose your circulation and the whole thing falls apart and you've got a green pool. Now there's 4 different types of filters. There's the quad DE filter, which uses cartridges similar to what you'd find in a cartridge filter, except they're engineered to use DE as the media. They give more square footage than a DE filter would have, but a little more the convenience of a cartridge filter in that you don't necessarily have to backwash them. They look just like a cartridge filter, so you have to be careful and really pay attention to the label, because if you treat it like a cartridge filter, or you treat a cartridge filter like a quad DE filter, you can run into some problems. Now the cartridge filter, pretty simple and straightforward. You just tear it apart 2 to 3 times a year or once a season, and you let the filter do the rest. You're going to get good filtration, and you're going to get a lot of movement per square foot. With DE filters, there's a lot more parts in them, but they filter the water the best. You're going to get filtration down to the red blood cell level. It's going to filter out stuff that small, down to the 5s of microns. Sand filter, well, that's the old reliable. Very little maintenance, but they are heavy. And when something does go wrong in them, it's a lot of work and can get expensive to do a repair on them. So the bottom line is you want to make sure that you're sizing a filter bigger than you think you may need, because if you size it too small and you try to cheap out, it's going to end up costing you a lot more in the long run. Personally, I'm a big fan of cartridge filters. They have a good balance between maintenance and usability and longevity and reliability. Sand filters also do a great job. I've seen plenty of really clear, clean pools with sand filters. When it comes to filter alternative like bio balls and different things like that, I'm just not a fan. Glass media and sand filters tends to work really well, and I know a lot of guys that have had really good luck using glass media versus number 20 silica. But some of those other far out things, I just don't trust, and I like to stick with what I know. So I don't really believe in anything other than the 4 traditional filters. Your DE filters, your cartridge, your sand, and your quad DE. These things are proven technology. They're reliable. You can get parts for them, and they just maintain a better pool because a lot of guys know how to work on them too. So take these couple of things into consideration. Number 1, we want to size the right size or go a step or 2 larger, so you can get that you have that room. You have that water moving through the filter slower than it would with a smaller filter, which means better filtration. You're gonna have less maintenance yearly on them. They're just a better way to go with a larger filter.
I was going to add that those other filters have stood the test of time.
Yes, they have. So anyways, guys, we're super tired. We still got a little more journeying to go. That's kind of what I have to say on filters now. I do have a more in-depth filter video that's going to be coming out soon when I get back home. But for now, we're going to continue on the road trip, and feel free to stick around and view some more if you want to see what our trip entailed today. Thanks for watching, everybody. Here we are inside Grand Teton, the Grand Teton, or in English, the Big Tit. Has a cloud hat on its head. How are we doing this morning, Ginger?
Good.
How are the kids? You guys good?
Yes.
If they talk like that this whole trip, I'm going to pull my hair out and my head's going to explode.
Did they both do that in unison?
Yeah. Like. Oh, we wanted to park there.
We wanted to pull into that overlook.
God dang it.
Do you want to pull into this overlook?
Sure.
Whoa.
Pretty amazing. Hey, excuse me, Mr. Deer. Excuse me, deer. How do we get out of the park? Hello? Hello? Are you listening? All right, back in Yellowstone Lake. Pretty beautiful here. Hey, Buffalo, where are you going?
Mommy?
Mangy old buffalo.
Oh my.
Yeah,
Daddy's looking at you.
I know.
Accidents occurred.
Mm-hmm.
Are you starting to go, oh yeah, we've been there?
Some of them, yeah.
That's such a strange land, Daddy.
Okay, all the rubberneckers. It's like a car accident, but it's just an elk with horns.
He's beautiful.
It's in there somewhere.
You got, there he is, maybe.
He's up.
Yep. There's something on the left. Deer, elk, butt. Oh no. Rocks.
Rocks.
Sorry.
It's a little dusty through here.
Or foggy and rainy.
Yeah, that too. It's the lake.
Yeah, so remember tonight we're getting a hotel room, Monkey? It's called Gardner, Montana.
Mm-hmm. Where do we go today, Ginger? Show us on the map.
Oh, well,
I got it. Just hold it right there.
we started out down here and we've come up and up and up and up and around and now we're on our way up. That's it.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Willow.
Do you see my animal?
Yes.
Dad,
Uh-huh.
if you dropped your phone, would you get it?
I don't know. I'm not gonna drop it. How about that?
And it's calcium, yeah?
The body had been partially consumed. 12.5 meters to the southwest, the rangers found a large blood spot and a piece of Dory's body at 8 p.m. on June 13th. It was badly torn and mangled, and the two noted
Oh,
Turn right onto USA.
Oh, look at Park
Then
Hotel.
turn right onto Park Street.
Oh, well, that's easy.
I think
that
that's it.
Frenchie had crawled 1.5 miles after escaping the bear. At the trap site were signs of
Finally, a hotel with a shower.
Daddy, what's the passcode? Mama,
Hang
I
on.
think you broke your computer. Mama, I know what the passcode is.
Look at that, it's like the zoo. How are the flowers? Are they yummy? Are they good? Don't worry, buddy, I don't bite. Promise. Where are we, Ginger? I don't even know anymore.
We're in Gardner, Montana.
Gardner, Montana. Yellowstone's over there.
No, Yellowstone's over.
That's what I said. Yellowstone's over there.
Oh, okay. Sorry. I thought you had pointed the
And
other
we're
way.
gonna go eat some food without the children. It's gonna be nice and quiet and good.
Sure.
Yellowstone was
I'm gonna
fabulous.
make a lot of extra noise tonight.
Tomorrow it's Bear's Ass.
Beartooth Highway?
Beartooth, that's what it is. Yeah, Beartooth Highway. Good night, Ginger.
What do I think about what?
How was your day?
Good.
Best part,
Right now.
worst part, showering Willow. Bathing our daughter.
It's kind of like bathing a cat sometimes.
It's like bathing a cat.
Oh, I hope she outgrows that soon.
This is where we are. We're here. We have a great view of here. All right, that's the end. Tune in tomorrow.